Welcome to the Marriott, Penang. We're actually on vacation, no work, no business, but this is just family time. Welcome to Penang. Now this Marriott is actually located along Gurney Drive, and it officially opened around February 2024. It comes with a huge reception area. It's very comfortable to check in. It's a huge lobby with a lounge area that you can sit down, relax. The coffee house or the cafe actually has a very good array of coffee, tea, pastries, what have you, just to sit down, have a nice cup of tea. Apologies for the mess in the room. The kids needed a shower, so as I was recording downstairs, they took a shower and just messed it up. The bathroom is comfortable. It comes with a shower and it also comes with a bathtub. The amenities kit, they still give out toothbrushes, combs, and even a shaver. The mini bar is minimal. They give you coffee, they give you tea, but I don't know whether I can call it a mini bar because the fridge is empty. So there's nothing in the fridge. And of course, they also give you a heater pot for you to boil water. This Marriott in Penang is located right in the middle of Georgetown. The location is fantastic. You know, wherever you want to go, as far as attractions are concerned. You've got the top, you've got Penang Hill, you've got the Queens Bay Mall. Gurney Mall is right about a kilometer away, so it's a very convenient location, but at the same time you're facing a very nice seafront. Wonderful place to just chill out, relax, enjoy some family time. Now when you're at the Marriott, actually next to the Marriott there's another hotel called the Evergreen. I don't know what group it belongs to, but it sort of feels local to me. And then you've got the Escort apartments, the service apartments just beside it. And you've got malls left and right, so right underneath the Escort apartments there's a Gurney walk. And then further up on your left you have got the Gurney Paragon, which is a mall. But other than that, you can easily get to all the attractions from here within 3 to 10, 11 kilometers. Very easy drive from here to the attractions that you want to go to. Taking a cool evening walk to Gurney Mall from the Marriott. So the Marriott is back there, and Gurney Mall is like about a kilometer down this way. We should get there in about 10 minutes. As you can see, there's a lot of food places along Gurney Road as we walk to the mall. You know, it's really nice to just stop by. I think you can drop by in any of the food places. I'm pretty sure the food is going to be amazing. Lots of seafood that you can try. Want to do lobster? You got lobster. So it's actually only an 800-meter walk. It's not even 1 kilometer. Huge mall. I actually like it. This feels very colonial, but somehow it's built into a mall. Or did they build the mall around this colonial building? Wow, it's pretty amazing. I think they built the mall and joined it into the original building. I think this is the original building. It's a colonial style building, and they built a mall or integrated it straight into the mall. Nice. I'm right in the middle of the central atrium. The walkways here are not wheelchair friendly. So if you have a wheelchair and you want to take a walk around Gurney Road, for all the restaurants have to offer, not wheelchair friendly. If there is one advice that I can give you, or maybe three advice that I can give you if you're coming to Penang. Number one, bring your sunblock. It can get really hot here. Number two, bring a portable fan, a portable electric fan. It can get pretty humid, and depending on the place you go to, if it's non-air conditioned, you're gonna feel it. Number three, download the Grab app, because that's the app that is gonna help you with transport, with food. You can order food. It's kind of like an equivalent of Uber if you're from the West and you use Uber. So down here in Malaysia, they call it Grab. So advice number three, use the Grab app.